All right, good afternoon, guys. Day one of our long journey to massive gains. Okay, so today we have a lot of actions. Today is one of those days where if you have a runner, it would be really good because every runner you would be making some money with it almost, right? But we don't. I'm probably not going to have a runner until probably when I get to the 50th day where I have five contracts, right? I just think that logistically, it's easier for me to manage. Sometimes I just have to get in a tray and then I walk away and I come back and you, so if I do that and my default for my runner before was set to 20 ticks, that's 5 points. If it doesn't get there, I break even and I lose some on commission and things like that. So right now, I'm just doing 1 point, right? So if I get into five trades and I get out with 1 point scalp on that runner right now, it's equivalent to hitting a 5 point runner every five trades. So to me, it's pretty much the same. I'll reevaluate and think about a runner later, but most likely I won't be too concerned about it. But a lot of action today. You can see it. Huge, huge action. Uh, Overnight high right here at about midnight, and overnight low at about 5:30, and we just went to like 750 ish, just went straight down, just keep on trying to come back and come back. Um, I saw most of these action. There's a couple trades that I kind of missed. I just couldn't put my order like this one right here. I was looking at it, and then I just couldn't put it in fast enough, and I got out. There's another one. I think it was this one right here. Yes, this one right here. I'll zoom into it later, but again, a lot of actions. So market close about right here. I'm gonna start getting into a habit of not getting any trade after 12:30 or even after 12. I saw this one here was good, that's why I went into it. But overall, the day was here's the result for the first day. So we did seven trades total. We lost one, so we ended with 172.84, right? A lot more than what we were targeting. I got I got the first three correct, and then I let's see, the one that I lost is somewhere right here, I believe. Where's the one that I lost? I lost one right here. Action was going back and forth after a downtrend. I'll explain this. This was a bad trade. I'll explain it in a little bit. But I was trying to be really patient today on autoplay. Of course, there's some that were really good, but I couldn't take it because I'm not at my desk. Okay, so let's go over it. So I lost all my trend channels, so I'm gonna bring it up on the recorder so I can walk you through it, my thought process at the time. But here it is. Here's the first one. Um, Before market, right at market open about right here. So we had a pretty steep channel up. So we topped out right here. Okay, came down to this little channel right here. First entry came down quickly. All three of these bars right here rejected at EMA. Pretty bullish bar, so I put in right there. And got a scalp, I believe. Yep, there you go. So we got the scalp there. Um, Let me find the next one. I'm going to go back here and try to. So the first tray is right there. The second tray, I believe what I did was I took this channel right here. I drew it off of that. Okay, let's zoom in. But you can see that it went down massively. So if you catch this right here, that's a massive runner. But most of us, it happened so fast. I'm hoping you can see it in the video. But all this ball happened within, I think, less than 5 minutes. It was really fast, just massive amount of volume pouring in. But we went down here. So I missed this one right here. I actually saw it, but I couldn't put it in on time. It just again happened so fast. but went up, first entry, went back up, second entry, just like that, right? Within less than 30 seconds, all those bars form. But I caught this one, went up, uh, so went up, first entry right there, if you didn't see it, right? But it would be stupid to get in a trap on the upside right here. So first entry, went back up, recheck at EMA, bullish bar, and then I caught in right there, quickly went down. Okay, so that's the second one. And then the start to bottom out, right? Start to bottom out. And notice that this is the first time it passes over the EMA again, right? So this is huge. So comes this, again, it bottom out, first time coming over. If you pay attention, first entry short, second entry short. And I told myself, I said, because of this massive move, everybody will probably want to go into this short right here, right? If they enter here, this right here would be a trap, so I went in right there and got my scalp, and sure enough, it continued to go up. And this is where I lost the trade right here. So I said, here's the first entry long, here's the second entry long, okay? And I said, okay, so it's going to be a trap because it fell, it went all the way down here. So um, my my order is incorrect, right? It should be one tick below, because I thought this was a trap to the long side, right? Went all the way down, and but it doesn't matter where I place that, right? It'll quickly reverse. Um, and I intentionally leave my stop at 2 because the volatility was just too much, right? So if I went up here, we would have a pretty bad day. We will only be up like $87. But we lost one right there because I was thinking about playing a trap. But even if so this is the bar that went over, so it's not bullish enough. So even if this bar, if I would play this bar to the upside, I would still lose, right? So congestion right here, but when first down, but yeah, just bouncing all over the place right here. So I think a lot of people lose money here if we just unfortunate we got caught in this mess here. So I let a lot of it go. Again, I missed this one. I really like this setup. Even this one I saw, but I couldn't get in on time. So went back over here. At this point, it was just throughout the day. If you watch the video, you will see a lot of green line. Right, as soon as we have a resistance or a support, I will start putting a blue line right there so that I can see it. But so you use those in conjunction with your second entries. Okay. So here you go. Here's the first entry. Tick down, came back up, form a really bullish bar, right? And then I went right there, got that scalp. Over here, let's see. First entry, second entry. This is technically the third entry. Form a triple bottom, and then if you drew a that line right there, if you do this line, you put it right there, a bunch of support right there. Okay, so I thought that was good because they already had a fake right. They already had a fake right here. Normally they don't try to fake you 2 or 3 times. Uh, And then finally, miss out on quite a bit here. We got right here, so you count from here. Here's the first entry. You count from here. This is the third entry. Okay, so came down, form a really nice solid um, bullish bar right at the overnight high. Notice that, hey, support, and then here it is again, support. So I took that one, and even though, so I said third entries, right? But once you have a fake, you can start that one, that count again, as long as it's two, at least a second entry. And you have to look at everything in context, right? Nothing's perfect out there, so I felt like this one was good. Okay, so like I said, I couldn't get this to work. I got it to work with the sim account, but I just couldn't seem to get it to work. We'll continue to fix that if I have time, but it is overall pretty good. Okay, so first day, so our account value now sits at 3503. I don't think that's right because yesterday it was, yeah, so it didn't, so I have to take that right there. Sometimes Ninja Trader, they just don't do that, and it caught you by surprise after you trade a lot of contract. They just subtract a big chunk from it. So I'll just put this right here, 172. Right, we're gonna expand a couple column so that we can keep track of this thing. But we're gonna do that 172, and then we'll add the total up by ourselves. Okay. But again, if we go back here, our goal right now is only $100, right? It's only $100. Oops. Our goal right now is only $96 a day. Actually, this is one contract, right? So we have to multiply this by, oh no, it is. And then, so that's two. So we have to multiply by that. So it's actually like $92. And how many days is this? So this first journey, we're only going to go up to the first year. Okay, so we don't get overly excited. Okay, so 96 is what we're after, but based on the performance today, we actually got 180, what is it again? We actually got 172. So if we were able to replicate this every day, okay, we'll be at over a million, right? I'm not saying that we're going to be able to do this every day, so let's be realistic. Let's just leave it at 92. So the reason I say 92 is because this is based on two contracts, right? So let's do 100 minus this right here. Okay, still a good chunk of money here. Let's insert this. I saw the comment, somebody asked for it. I'll put a link in the description so that everybody have a copy of this, right? So that you can modify it however you like. So net total. Okay, so net at 172. I keep on forgetting. 172.84. Okay, 172.84. So this would just be equals this plus this. All right, so that's where we're at right now. So first day is in the book, okay, as a success. We're just going to keep on marching along. Again, the only time that we're going to slow down is if we get to the 10th day in whatever contract size it is, and we're not at this level, okay? And the only way you're not at this level is if you have a lot of losses that you can't average $92 a day, okay? So I will leave it at that. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe, and have a good night.
No. Target filled. Order canceled. Order canceled. Target filled. Order canceled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled. Target filled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.